Breakfast sausage biscuit. Processed sausage linked to cancer. Refined flour spikes insulin. High saturated fat clogs arteries. Excess sodium stresses kidneys. Promotes morning blood sugar crash. Increases heart disease risk. Onion rings. Deep fried oil produces toxins. High trans fat damages heart. Refined batter spikes blood sugar. Promotes inflammation. Adds empty calories. Encourages weight gain. Cheesecake. High sugar damages pancreas. Saturated fat raises LDL cholesterol. Promotes fatty liver. High calorie density causes weight gain. Increases insulin resistance. Raises heart disease risk. Corn dog. Processed meat linked to cancer. Deep frying creates trans fats. Refined coating spikes insulin. High sodium harms kidneys. Promotes belly fat. Increases cardiovascular strain. Mac and cheese. Refined pasta spikes blood sugar. Processed cheese high in sodium. Saturated fat raises cholesterol. Excess calories promote obesity. Low fiber harms gut health. Increases insulin resistance. Raises heart disease risk.